Hi, I'm Leon. Prior to joining the industry, I was actually a fresh graduate, and during my studies, I was actually an intern with the bank doing project management. Having a growth mindset, prior to joining this industry, I started to do my professional qualifications such as AWP and even AFP. When I graduated, I was actually offered the position to work with my previous mentor in the bank doing project management. However, I had a more keen interest in customer facing, and that's where I decided that position wasn't as relevant as what I wanted to achieve over a long-term period. After being offered multiple positions in different industries, the financial advisory career was actually the path that was more relevant for me, as I was able to meet customers and actually make an impact in their lives. Many people have highlighted that being in this industry is very challenging. However, I beg to differ, as I see it in a different direction. I find that it's actually very meaningful to be able to see how my clients is able to achieve their life objectives. And as a result, this is the reason why I'm still in this industry even after 12 years. Most of my consultants have actually the following problems. First of all, it's actually lead generations. Being in this industry, we need to actually find our own leads. The second problem would actually be competition in the online and offline space. Thirdly, it would actually be how to handle clients' objections. And lastly would be how to approach clients. Personally, I find Financial Alliance provide very good infrastructure systems for inexperienced and experienced consultants. For inexperienced consultants, having a lot of different service providers poses as an issue, and this is where Financial Alliance help bridge the learning curve. For experienced consultants, it allows us to scale our business where we can actually do more with the support of Financial Alliance. Secondly, the monthly investment updates provided by the company allows consultants to invite their clients to the webinar. The webinar would allow clients to know what is happening to their portfolio based on the latest market development, so that moving ahead, they can know how the portfolio is doing, and also at the same time, what are the actions needed with regards to rebalancing or managing their portfolio. So thirdly, the company adopts a progressive culture, and this is where the insurance team have actually provided very insightful, in-depth analysis of the products. So this is where, for consultants, they are able to know how the product is able to relate to their client's profile and whether is it suitable in assisting clients to achieve their objective in life. Another thing that I like about Financial Alliance is its proactive attitude in developing new technologies so as to help consultants stay ahead of market developments. Lastly, the company's willingness in collaborating with different service providers have benefited our consultants, as we are viewed as a one-stop service provider for clients to achieve their objective in life. For new consultants joining this industry, the key concern that they have is how can they actually last in this industry. And this is where the team had come up with a few initiatives. For example, monthly coaching. Secondly would be on-job training. Thirdly would be the transfer of knowledge or experience from experienced consultants to junior consultants. Lastly would actually be lead generations, and this is where we actually find or brainstorm solutions on how to actually gather a consistent stream of individuals or network that we can actually always meet. For example, roadshows or even collaborating with business professions. For fresh grad looking to join this industry, I have one advice that I can share with you, which I actually learned from a mentor. He actually shared this to me, which is actually something that I hold very dearly to me, which is to do well and do good, and you actually succeed, rather than to succeed, then do well and do good.